Mark-10, force and torque measurement, engineered better.
From appliances to airplanes, wire harnesses are used in many products we use every day. A loose crimp connection may result in power or communication disruption, operation loss, or something worse. It's critical to ensure that wire terminations are crimped adequately. Mark-10's WT-205M wire crimp pull tester measures the pull-off force of crimped wire terminals up to 200 pounds or 1 kilonewton. Index the terminal turret to the correct slot size, then insert the sample. Insert the free end of the wire into the wedge action grip. Alternative grip fixtures are available for the terminal end of the wire, including a wedge grip, a ring terminal fixture, and a machinable blank fixture. Also, alternative grip fixtures are available for the loose end of the wire, a bollard grip assembly, and a dual roller grip. With a wide range of optional grip accessories, the WT-205M can be configured for almost any wire testing scenario your team might need. You can set a desired speed for your test and a return speed for your test. To begin the test, press Start. The grip will pull on the wire until the sample breaks or a specific load is reached. The tester can also hold a specific load for a period of time. At the end of the test, the grip can automatically return to the home position. The primary reading can be configured to show the live or peak value. You can select from several different units of measurement. Pass and fail limit indicators easily identify non-conforming samples, save up to 1,000 readings in memory, and view statistics for the data. In the back of the unit, there is the on and off switch and the AC power cord plug. You can use the USB output to transfer data and statistics to a PC. There is also a multi-purpose serial connector for RS-232, Mitutoyo, analog, and set point outputs. Optionally, save a date and timestamp for each data point with this optional function. Save up to 500 test configurations with the optional Profiles function. The WT-205M is shipped in demo mode. All available functions are enabled for the first 160 hours of operation. Purchase functions at any time with activation codes. For increased testing efficiency, the WT-205M has a break detection function. When the sample breaks, that automatically saves the reading, outputs the reading, returns home, and also zeroes out the display, so you are ready for the next test. MESUR Lite software is included with the WT-205M. Collect more data with Mark-10's MESUR Gauge Plus advanced data collection software. MESUR Gauge Plus graphs and analyzes data with customizable reports and start and stop triggers.
For more information, visit mark-10.com. Mark-10, force and torque measurement, engineered better.